Can you really earn money online without any skills? Short answer is yes. What's going on everyone? Nathan here from myimtips.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you a specific way and strategy on how you can get started to earn money online totally free without any skills. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you are new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about making money online, internet marketing related tips, and a lot more. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you in today's video on how you can get started actually to earn money online without any skills, totally free. So what you need to do here is stick around and watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information, because then it might not work for you. So make sure you stick till the end here, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, first actually before we get started, I have shared some strategies and tips on how you can get started to make money online without any skills. I mean, look at this video, for example, 12 websites to make $100 per day. You can see that there is a lot of different ways and strategies that you can get started without any previous experience at all. So make sure you check out those videos, and also if you haven't checked out my other YouTube channel, I have tons of strategies here on how you can get started to earn money online totally free without any skills at all. Now it's a great way, of course, to earn some extra money online, and you can do a combination. You can actually do some of these methods while you build a long-term business, which I usually recommend actually to do. I mean, one quick example is that you could go to a freelance site, create an account here, and you can sell things like, just to give you a quick example here, let's say that you sell a website. You can do it with a method called drop servicing, and that means that you don't have to do anything at all. You don't have to build the website there. What you have to do is actually, you can come on the same platform or on other freelance platforms, buy the website and just sell it, okay? So it means that you don't have to do anything at all. And it works 100%. I've tested it myself, and I know a lot of people who are making some serious money online by doing it. It all depends on your marketing and your promotion there. Now, of course, there is many other ways, as I mentioned earlier. Just to give you a quick example, we have Swagbucks here. It's a great way to make some extra money online with some different small tasks by taking surveys, watching videos and stuff like that. But it's nothing that you can focus on the long term. Now we are going to have a closer look on the strategy that I mentioned earlier, which I think that it is a great way to get started to also build a long-term business with. So I'm going to show you here, as I said, on how you can get started to do this totally free. And we are talking about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is my favorite method. I mentioned it many times for those of you that follow me. And it is really simple because I think that this is one of the easiest way to get started to make money online if you do it the right way and you put in some effort in the beginning. You can also expand later on and have it as a passive income, and you don't have to create video sales letter, spending thousands of creating sales, the whole sales process, actually copywriting, have products shipped, for example, or anything like that. All you have to do is actually find a product to promote, grab that link and promote that link. It is as simple as that, and that's what we are going to have a look at in today's video here. So I'm having Amazon here as an example because you can be affiliate for Amazon.com, and I mean, Amazon have millions of products. But in today's video we're going to focus on digital products, and I'm going to specifically show you a little bit here on clickbank.com. Clickbank is very highly recommended to get started with because it is totally free to sign up with, and you don't have to wait for being approved to promote any of the products here. So that is why it is highly recommended. It is almost worldwide. I know there are some countries that is not available. You can go to a similar platform like digistore24.com or any other platform to promote similar products. So there is a solution to that too. And what you do here actually more or less is that you can go to the marketplace here, and you can see that there is so many categories here, okay? Now usually what I say is that health, wealth, fitness and relationships is probably the most common and popular niches to be involved in, okay? So it doesn't mean that we need any previous experience to get started with this. And I'm just going to pick something here as an example. So I'm going to pick the health and fitness here. We can actually sort the results here by ranking, the average sales conversion, the initial, the recurring. It is good to have actually a recurring because you can make money months later on down the road actually for someone who purchase it. And it could be something for this, for example, the flat belly tonic. And we have also the gravity here. This is ClickBank's own metrics. So the higher the better, because it means that it actually converts. Now this is actually a pretty new product here. It sells. But we have here, for example, the custom keto diet. And you can see here that you can earn $47.12 here per conversion that you make here, okay? There is also a rebill, which is another big plus. I mentioned it earlier here. So what you need to do here is grab this link, okay? So you can generate a hope link here. Now this is a long, ugly link and we want to shorten it. So a quick example, which I usually recommend, is bit.ly.com. You can go here, create an account totally free. So you insert your link here and you shorten it. All right, and here is our shortened link here, you can see. And now we copy this link because we are going to use it. So now let's recap here a little bit. We needed to find a product, grab that link, and now we needed to promote that link. Really simple. So how are you going to do this? Well, one example is that you can go to Quora.com and people are searching for different things here all the time. And I just typed here on how to lose weight and you can see that you get tons of results here. Now what you need to do here is actually go inside and provide value, okay? So you just don't go and bombard with your link there. Check this out because no one will do it and it might also get you banned here from Quora. But how can you take advantage and provide value? Well, let me show you here. If I go back here to the custom keto diet, you can see that there is an affiliate page, all right? Now, if I go inside here, you can see that they have a lot of affiliate tools, and basically what you need to do is enter your name and email address. And when you're done that, you will be redirected to this page. Now, if you take a look here, we have tons of information that we can take advantage of. And especially the articles will definitely help us here. So you can just download the articles here and let me just open it up. Okay, so you can see here that this is one example. Now, just don't post it exactly as it is, but make sure you rewrite it a little bit. And you can rewrite it really simple. You can go to something called Spinbot. And this is a great way to actually rewrite the article to make it unique. You can go to spinbot.com and make a unique article. And then you can get started actually to post in here, even the whole article with your account there. But also provide value in overall. I mean, you can take pieces of it and reply to those who actually ask on what is the best way, for example, to lose weight. And of course, later on, you will also send your link there because you are going to tweak it a little bit and say that I found that this way worked for me. If you are interested, let me know and I'll send you a private message with it. And this is just one way, and there is more ways, because here is another way also. You can go to Facebook. I'm just going to show you real quick here. You can type weight loss here or keto diet or whatever. I just type make money online and you sort it by groups, and you can see that there is tons of groups in here that you can go inside and post this. But pay attention here because this is very important, okay? You can see here that, oh, you're not tired of empty promises, and this is to draw the attention, the curiosity. You can see here I wrote AIDA, it stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. Okay, and that is exactly what you're going to do in here. You're going to post similar like this here, but you want to draw the attention. And I just typed this real quick here earlier, okay? I found this method to start to lose weight without being hungry a single second. Want to know what that method is? just type the word lose and I'll private message you. Now this will actually sort out those who really are interested and not, and it means that those who are interested will likely click through your link there when you private message them. So you're going to private message them and say thank you for your interest, here is the link, check it out, it is highly recommended, and that's it, okay? You will probably have much higher click-through rate instead of just posting the link there. And if you only post the link there, you probably might get banned also. So a lot of forums don't like it. As I said, I just show you, but I mean, you can do the same here for weight loss, okay? So if I just go to weight loss and we go for groups here, you can see that there is just the first group, 60,000, 60,000, 7,000, 186,000, clean eating recipes and support there, intermittent fasting for weight loss, which goes very well for keto, 57 for keto diet for beginners. And here is where you can join these groups, post, be active a little bit there. The more value you provide, the better. And as I said, you can easily do this by rewriting the articles or any of the other material that you have there. So that is how you can start to earn money online without any skill, and totally free, as you could see here. Now just think outside of the box here a little bit. You can implement the exact same strategy on Pinterest, for example, Twitter, and so many other platforms. TikTok, which is super hot right now, is another biggie as well. Now, of course, I would actually go a step beyond and build a list. I talked about this thousands of times, and you heard the phrase the money's in the lister. And you do it really simple with a squeeze page, a landing page. This is just one example here. Here is another one. You can do it in exchange for a free report, which you can build again from the article section there, or create a free video or whatever. And you can actually find out more about affiliate marketing and how to build a long-term sustainable online business with it, and a lot more in my #1 recommendation, which you find right here below in the description. So make sure you check that out as soon as we finish this video, of course. Now, if you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.